Okay, here today with the Krups, whatever, Conical Burr grinder. I've got a timer, I've got a scale, which doesn't show up very good on my screen. But what we're going to try and do is see if I can record the noise and see if we can tell how long it takes as well. So let's make sure we've got this thing so it'll stay on. Alright, we're going to hit start over here, and just when it hits 5, I guess I'll start. Okay, that's about 10 seconds worth right there. And we've got 12.9. 16.3, 17 and change. So that's going to be a shot right there as far as what I'm used to anyway. Looks like it probably took, I don't know, you can probably figure better than I can. Pretty quick, not terribly slow. Maybe 15 seconds, similar to the Barazza Preciso. A little noisier though. A little noise, in my opinion.